This is so good.
About a cup and a half of this Greek yogurt that has no saturated fat. Oh, it has no trans fat either. And it has 0 added sugar. Now, a lot of times I use the juice from half of a lemon from my tree, but another thing that's really good is 1 or 2 caps of lime juice or 1 or 2 caps of lemon juice. I will use a heaping teaspoon of this chocolate powder, a very, very small amount of stevia extract. As you can see, it's only a stevia extract powder, no alcohol or dextrose added to it. And you can see the nutrition facts right there. Then also a large handful of walnuts or almonds. I forgot to show you the nutritional facts for this chocolate. It's only 1 gram of saturated fat, no trans fats, 0 added sugar. Matter of fact, it even has 0 total sugar. And I put a heaping teaspoon in this mixture that I eat for breakfast, or I'll have it as a snack. It's really delicious. I mean, I could have it for dessert, but it's nutritious enough to also have for breakfast, and I frequently do. It smells delicious. You can already smell it. It smells really good.